While Apple launched iOS 14 in WWDC 2020, I thought this would be a good time to take a look back at iOS 13. Today I have with me an iPhone XR which is currently running on iOS 13.5.1. Let's jump into the video quickly and see how my iPhone XR performs with iOS 13 in 2020. Before starting the video, I would really appreciate if you happen to enjoy the video till the end. Give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel as it gives me motivation to make more of this kind of videos. And with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Okay. So a bit of intro. iPhone XR was launched 2 years back in 2018, and what was special was that Apple did release iPhone XR with multiple colors. I have the black one with me and have been using it almost an year and a half. Taking a look at the design, the iPhone has its glass front and back. It has a solid build and does not scratch easily. I love the way how the device looks in hand, and the display was one of the main controversial topic of XR. Although it has a pretty good display, there was a lot of confusion at the beginning about the display and how things would look on iPhone XR. Yeah, but the bezels are a bit thicker compared to XS and XS Max. But considering the price at which the device was getting sold, it really didn't bother me much. Includes a Face ID which works fast and even faster with now Apple's continuous support of software improvements. Because the device has glass back, it supports wireless charging and also it does support quick charging, but sad that we don't get a quick charger in the box. The iPhone XR is considered to be a good looking iPhone and a modern device which doesn't break your bank but still gives you all the modern features you would need in 2020, starting from the sleek design, Face ID and water resistant features like that. Now let's talk about the specs. iPhone XR comes with Apple A12 Bionic chip and results a very powerful processor, so no compromises in the performance sector. It has a 3GB of RAM. Yeah, a 3GB might seem a little low in 2020, but coupled with Apple's super optimized iOS, everything is still very functional and fluid. With iOS 13, the performance has noticeably improved and became more stable. With the features like dark mode and others, the iOS 13 works flawlessly on this device, and I'm looking forward to get iOS 14, which would be a complete game changer for this device. Talking about the cameras, it has a 12 megapixel single camera on the back which is capable of taking great photos, and when it comes to video, the performance is really good. It can record videos in 4K 60 fps, and I do record most of my videos with iPhone XR. Front camera is fine. It has 7 megapixel selfie shooter which is sufficient for some casual selfies and video calls. If you ask me whether it's worth buying in 2020, I would say yes, it's the best budget iPhone which money can buy right now, and considering the sales, the price very often drops. I will give you the link below as well so you can buy this gorgeous device. And if you are watching this video and own an iPhone XR, don't worry, you are covered with software updates for coming years as well, as this phone internals are capable enough to handle new software updates. Overall, the iOS 13 with iPhone XR feels a great device and gets the job done for most of the people out there. I have made other videos on iPhone XR on my channel as well. Feel free to check those out. Then again, this was the video letting you guys know my 1.5 year experience with iPhone XR and all the other aspects of this device. Hope you liked the video. If you do, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Then again, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.